Somatisensation. Thursday, May 14, 2020. 8:14 p.m. Somatisensation. Somatisensation.
Types of sensation: intensity, timing, and location. Types: temperature, thermoception, pressure, mechanoception, pain, nociception, and position, proprioception. Timing: non-adapting, slow adapting, fast adapting. Location: location-specific nerves to brain. Sensory adaptation and amplification. Adaptation is change over time of receptor to a constant stimulus, downregulation. X. As you push down with hand, receptors experience constant pressure. But after few seconds receptors no longer fire. Important BC: if cell is overexcited, cell can die. X. If too much pain signal in pain receptor capsaicin, cell can die. Amplification is upregulation. X. Light hits photoreceptor in eye and can cause cell to fire. When cell fires, AP can be connected to two cells which also fire AP, and so on. Somatosensory homunculus. Your brain has a map of your body, the cortex. This part of cortex is the sensory cortex, contains the homunculus. Info from body all ends up in this somatosensory cortex. If there was a brain tumor, to figure out what part it's in, neurosurgeons can touch diff parts of cortex and stimulate them. If surgeon touches part of cortex, patients can say they feel it. Do it to make sure they aren't removing parts in sensation. This creates topological map of body in the cortex. Proprioception and kinesthesia. How can you walk in a pitch-black room? You rely on your sense of balance/position, proprioception. Tiny little sensors located in our muscles that goes up to spinal cord and to the brain. It's sensitive to stretching. Sensors contract with muscles, so we're able to tell how contracted or relaxed every muscle in our body is. Kinesthesia is talking about movement of the body. Proprioception was cognitive awareness of body in space. Kinesthesia is more behavioral. Kinesthesia does not include sense of balance, while proprioception does. Pain and temperature. Pain equals nociception, temp equals thermoception. In order for us to sense temperature, we rely on the TRYPV1 receptor. Interestingly, this receptor is also sensitive to pain. There are thousands of these in membranes. Heat causes a conformational change in the protein. When cell is poked, thousands of cells are broken up, and releases different molecules that bind to TRYPV1 receptor. Causes change in conformational change, which activates the cell and sends signal to brain. 3 types of fibers: fast, medium, slow. A-beta fibers: fast ones are thick and covered in myelin, less resistance, high conductance. A-delta fibers: smaller diameter, less myelin. C fibers: small diameter, unmyelinated, lingering sense of pain. Pain also changes conformation of receptors. Capsaicin binds the TRYPV1 receptor in your tongue and triggers the same response.